What's goody good, you guys? It's your boy Mackmotivates, and welcome to the channel. It's been a while, man. It's been a long while. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Mackmotivates. Y'all obviously have followed me either through the phone call video with Tuner Cole, or you've watched a little bit of the few things that I've posted up. So, or I think I just kind of found this one out recently, the blow-off valve video for the Subaru, for the top blow-off valve. So anyways, you're here now, you're here, and this is an update of how it's been the past few months and where have I been and why did I all of a sudden stop posting to YouTube. So long story short, I got burnt out. Burnout is real when you do YouTube, and honestly it's kind of crazy because for some of y'all that know and some of y'all that don't know, content creation is my full-time job now too. So I work for a race team, and I've told you guys that multiple times, and it is hard. You know, they tell you don't work your dream job and blah blah blah, because sometimes you might not like it, and don't meet the people that you want to meet because you might not like it. My job's great, I love that, but it is true because now I'm balancing content creation for them and then coming home and trying to make it for myself. So I really did. I got burnt out. Instagram, I got burnt out on. You know, it just didn't feel like it was worth it. I would put all this effort into these videos and, you know, not get paid. And, you know, Facebook had me taking off their content creation program, and they didn't take me off, but they basically stopped paying me. And it was just like, man, what is going on? Like, what am I doing here? I mean, it's opened the doors for some amazing sponsorships, and that's led to some great friendships and stuff like that. But I had to sit back and I was like, man, when you do YouTube, you only got a few years to shine, you know, unless you're like one of them OG YouTubers and y'all can make it, something for a long time. So when you realize that, you're like, man, let me make sure I'm giving my all. So I fell back a little bit, and I just wanted to focus on work, and I wanted to do something new. And I think I've already told y'all, but if y'all don't know, I hopped onto TikTok and I started TikTok Shop. I got approved on that with my sticky track video almost a year ago today. I went to TX2K and dropped a video, and bam. So I didn't know anything about it, and I got a whole video on that too on my TikTok. And TikTok has been a blessing. For the past 6 months, TikTok has absolutely changed my life, and I'm grateful. I am super grateful. The amount of money that I made on TikTok in the past 6 months is in no comparison with YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook combined. I've made way more than I could ever imagine on that. Now, I'm not big balling, and I've already told you guys, YouTube money is not what you really think. Like, we're not big balling, not unless you get a whole bunch of views. So a small channel like myself, I'm still under 10,000, you know what I mean? So we're not big balling like you think. But I'll tell you though, learning sales, because I was doing TikTok Shop, so learning sales and how to talk to people, because I was actually getting on live and selling items. I wish I could show you how crazy my living room looks right now, but I have so many items and things that I've just sold, and my biggest thing was CarPlay units, and you guys have probably seen that before too. So it's wild to see where life has taken me, and I'm thankful for TikTok. I'm thankful for all the platforms, and I'm thankful for YouTube because you guys are sitting here watching it as well. So, but yeah, that's kind of where I've been. And I didn't stop shooting videos. I didn't. I shot an air intake video. I lowered the Accord. I got wheels for the Accord. I bought wheels for the Accord that were STI wheels. They didn't fit, and it was just crazy. And we got a whole JDM front bumper. We got fog lights. We got headlights. I have so much stuff that I shot, and I just didn't edit it because I spend all my time in the day editing. So when I come home, I'm like, I don't want to edit anymore. So you really have to have that drive if you're going to balance two jobs like that. You really have to have that drive. And I'm telling you guys that now because it can take the spark out of what you love because it becomes a job. And I didn't understand that until now. And I'm learning to balance it now. So some days I do TikTok, and then going forward, some days I'm going to be doing YouTube stuff. So I have a whole front end conversion thing that I did on the Subaru, different grill, I put a front mount on there. That's a whole story. But I never stopped. And then to update you guys with the Subaru, I was going to go with the 550 block. Then I was going to go with the 750 block. And then that money started coming in. I was like, oh, 950, 750, 950. And then it's just like, okay, man, get it all together. What do you really want to do? What's more realistic? I have 2 kids and I have to have a stash of savings. I've never had that in my life. I'm 34 and I've never had that in my life. So I'm like, okay, we need to reevaluate. So that's why the car's been on the back burner for almost 2 years now. You know what I mean? So I missed the car. I want to get the car back out. I do want to get back into the car scene. So I think the most reasonable thing to do is either get a stock block or get an IAG 550 block, which is the lowest block, but it will take care of the main issues that the stock block has. And I think that's going to be the route that I go moving forward. And I think keeping the setup that I currently had, it'll help me not make too much power than what that engine can handle. So there's that. I do miss the Subaru, and I hope the Subaru can come back this year with everything going on. And obviously I say I hope because we don't know what's going on with TikTok right now. So I'm on a big pause at the moment because things have been slow since the TikTok ban. And I know you guys probably weren't even thinking I was going to be up here talking about TikTok, but guys, it really has changed my life a lot. And there's other little apps and things that I do online where did y'all hear that? I have no clue what that was passing by. But there's other things that I do online. No OnlyFans, I promise. But yeah, man, it's been crazy. So my kids are good though. The best they've ever been right now. You know, my family's good. I'm thankful. I'm blessed. The Honda's doing good. You know, I've actually got some other surprises. Let's just say that TikTok has blessed us a lot. Let's just say that, and you guys will see it up and coming. So stay tuned. I will be dropping things here and there. I might even drop some TikTok items. I don't know how y'all feel about that, but some of the videos that I do on TikTok, I can drop a link, and then some of you guys, I mean, y'all might be interested in the CarPlay units that I was selling. It turned my regular radio into an updated CarPlay without having to drop a whole bunch of money. Basically under 50 bucks, you had a brand new CarPlay unit and a backup camera and stuff like that. So it has been absolutely crazy, but I'm here. And then another thing to why I've been gone, I know it's obvious, y'all can see it. I got fat. I've been calling it thick, but we're gonna call it what it is. I got fat, and my health has been priority right now. That is another reason, my mental and my physical. So I've hit up the doctors, and we have been figuring out things because health got bad. Health, guys, I got bad. Like, I got bad. Everything that was up could be up, and that's not what's up. So yeah, y'all, my health got real crazy, and I know it's like I said, I know y'all can see it in the face. And then there's this thing right here. Check this out. This thing on my eye kind of just popped up, and I know y'all see it in my videos. Like, it's just weird, man. So we got some health issues to take care of, try and get this thing removed. And man, it's like I said, it's been wild, man. So it hasn't been priority to be on here right now. Health and mental health and, you know, physical health was priority, man. So right now we're working through it. We've got a treadmill. You know, we got different, for y'all that did know me before the Subaru and everything, y'all knew I was big into fitness, and I kind of just threw that out the window and forgot all about it, and it's caught up to me. So I want to be here for my boys, and I want to be here for y'all and give y'all the entertainment that I know y'all love to see. So we're going to be doing some, obviously I'm not going to be on here showing, you know, all that, but if you want to, you know, follow me, I got a whole different TikTok channel for that. And like I said, we'll see what happens with TikTok, because we still don't even know what's going on with TikTok right now, because the ban had us butt clenched, bro. Like, we were like, yo, my second little, you know, income right here is about to be gone. Like, that's crazy. So, but yeah, y'all, I've been fine. I've been good. And if you've made it this far, I appreciate you. Y'all already know that, man. And just hang tight. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to balance everything. But I do have an air intake video. I do have, like, I put some camber arms on the back of the Accord. Like I said, I'm going to be painting the bumper, putting in the fog lights, and all that kind of stuff, man. So just stay tuned, man. I'll be around. So yeah, if y'all are into that, I'll be here, man. But until then, I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all. Never give up. You already know. Keep pushing, man, and trust and believe in the process, bro, because everything and anything is possible, man. I love y'all, man. Peace.